Hello, welcome back everyone. Now in this session, we are going to discuss about an interesting question that has been asked in the Flipkart for the role of data analytics. The problem statement states that we need to find out the count of product that has been added in the cart. So we will try to understand this problem statement also with the help of some few examples. And we will learn something new, insightful from this video, like how can we use string split function, what is the use of cross apply, and some more advanced functions here. But before diving into the problem, I request you all, kindly execute this SQL script in your SSMS so that we both can solve this problem parallelly. Here we are having a table named as Flipkart data, which contains two rows, two columns named as user ID and their respective product names. As you can see over the screen, the user ID 1 contains three products named as mobile, TV, and clothes. Similarly, the user ID 2 contains three products named as mobile, electronics, home, and kitchen. So what we need to do, we need to find out the counts for each product, like how many times the mobile has been added and so on. So we want output in this format, like the product name and the searches, means how many times they has been added in the cart. So how can we solve this problem? Kindly think about that. Just pause this video for a few seconds and think and try to solve by yourself. Let's try to solve this problem. So basically what we want to split the string firstly. Like if we can have individual rows, like for mobile, TV, and clothes, like this manner. So that the count will be easy. Like if we can do splitting of the string, like we have one row for mobile, one row for TV, and one row for clothes, then the problem can be easily solved. So in short, we can say that we need to split the string. How can we do this? So in SQL, this function has been already provided to us. Only we need to consume that. And how can we consume that and where it is present? So like here I am using this database. Kindly click over this plus sign. And what we need to use functions. So kindly go to the programmability. Here you can see that we have stored procedure, functions, and all of the stuff. And we want function, so click over functions. And we are dealing with the string, so it will go under the string functions bucket. And this is string functions here. And we need to apply the string function that will return a column of characters, and it will gonna split the string. Okay. So how can we use this? Let's try to use this with some few example. Let's use that select value from, and what we want to use string split, and we want to split the string by which parameter? By comma. Let's execute this. Yep, you can see over the screen we have splitted the string, but the thing is that we need to apply to this table. And how can we do this? We are not privileged to use directly this stuff with this table because this is table value function. So for that scenario, we need to apply cross apply. So what is a cross apply? Cross apply is kind of inner join only when we are dealing with the table inline function. And there's one more scenario like outer apply. So if you want to know more about cross apply and outer apply, kindly watch my videos. In that I have explained in detail what is cross apply and what is outer apply. And in this scenario, we can use that. Now coming to the problem, as here, we need to split the string on the basis of commas. How can we do this? So we are going to apply cross apply. Okay, so we are having this data, and this just like we use joins, in similar manner we can use cross apply. So just type cross apply, and what we want to use this function string split, and on the basis of which we want to do string split on the basis of on product name column and on the basis of this. Okay, and let's execute this and see the output. Yep, so the entire product name has been splitted on the basis of the delimiter that we provided. Okay, now just create a CT for further references. So what does CT means? CT means common table expression. We can solve this problem without the help of CT also. but to understand more clearly and to get more accurate data, look just for a representable prospectus, I'm using CT. So just typing select star from CT and let's execute this. So with the help of CT, we'll get the same output, but now here we are going to do some tweaks. As we want values, so let's name this value as product name. And what we want count of star as searches. If we are using count here, then the data should be grouped by. So we need to use group by, and the data should be grouped on the basis of their values, correct? And if anyhow we can do just order by on the basis of their values, let's execute this and then we will decide how we have to use order by. So here we are getting an incorrect syntax error. Okay, what is this? We have used values, but it should be value. Let's execute this. Yep, we are getting the product name and how many times they has been searched. If I'll do order by count of star, then what will happen? Yep, but we want this should be in descending. Yep, so the mobile has searched 3 times and TV and electronic and so on. So how did we solve this problem? We have learned how can we use string split. First of all, we observe the problem that we need to split the string to get the counts for individual products. And so for that purposes, we have used string split. And we know that string split is a table valued function. So we don't have privilege to use directly. Therefore, we have used cross apply. And to represent this data in more mannerful manner, we have used CT and just rename the values, just rename the column names to the accurate name like product name and searches. And that's all about the final output. If you're able to understand this problem and if you're liking my content, then please just like, share and subscribe among your friends. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.